So, Greenie, are you eating something red? By Ryan C.S. Look at all the red foods. All are good to eat. You have tomato, strawberry, red pepper, watermelon, and apple. What red food would you choose for a tasty treat? Miss Powell would choose strawberries. Love strawberries. Greenie chooses watermelon. Yum. Look at all the yellow foods. All are good to eat. There's summer squash, yellow pepper, banana, corn, pineapples. What yellow food would you choose for a tasty treat? Miss Powell would choose pineapples. Pineapples are delicious. Greenie chooses corn. Yum. Look at all the purple foods. All are good to eat. There are grapes, raisins, eggplant, plum, and berries. What purple food would you choose for a tasty treat? Miss Powell would pick a plum. Greenie chooses grapes. Yum. Look at all the orange foods. All are good to eat. There are apricots, yams, carrots, cantaloupes, or oranges. What orange food would you choose for a tasty treat? Miss Powell would choose an apricot. They're just so good to eat. Greenie chooses an orange. Yum. Look at all the green foods. All are good to eat. There's broccoli, lettuce, celery, peas, and kiwi. What green food would you choose for a tasty treat? Miss Powell would pick broccoli. I love me some broccoli. Greenie chooses peas. Yum. All done. Burp.